Natural resources of India. Learning objectives. Understand renewable resources. Identify non renewable resources. Explore solar energy uses. Examine wind energy sources. Recognize plant importance. Discover resource conservation. Startup. Our country is blessed with natural resources like water, air, forest, and minerals. Renewable resources such as solar energy are inexhaustible and we can use it forever. Non renewable resources like coal are exhaustible and we cannot use it forever. We must use natural resources carefully and conserve them for the future generations. Our country, India, is blessed with natural resources like water, air, forests, and minerals. These natural resources help us to produce energy, which ensures the development of our nation. There are two types of energy resources: renewable resources and non renewable resources. What are renewable resources? Renewable resources are natural resources. They do not decrease as we use them. Examples of renewable resources include solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. Even soil, plants, and animals yield energy. These resources are also called inexhaustible resources. We use the solar energy in solar water heaters, solar cookers, and solar street lights. Nowadays, companies are using solar panels to produce electricity from sunlight. Ozone layer in the atmosphere saves us from some harmful rays of the sun. Human activists release substances into the atmosphere that reduce the ozone layer. Moving wind has energy to rotate windmills. Look at the picture. So, companies and governments are setting up wind farms. In Kutch, Gujarat, and in Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu, we can see such wind farms. We produce hydroelectricity using water that comes out a dam across a river. We get biomass energy from cow dung or dung of any cattle. Plants give us food to eat and the oxygen to breathe. Wood serves as the fuel and raw material for making paper and furniture. The roots, leaves, and stems of some plants are made into medicines. So, we call plants green gold. Non renewable resources. Non renewable resources are those that reduce as we use them. We cannot create them. Coal, petroleum, natural gas are examples of non renewable resources. They are also called exhaustible resources. Coal is found underground and is a significant source of power. It is used to produce heat and electricity as well as in engines and factories. The largest coal mine in India is located in Jharia. Coal, often called black gold, is used to produce petrol, diesel, and other essential products. Petrol and diesel serve as fuels for various purposes. Digboy in Assam is home to an important petroleum refinery. Nuclear energy is generated using minerals and it is used for producing power and creating explosives. Tarapur in Maharashtra is the site of an important nuclear power plant in India. Do you know the petroleum jelly which you use in winters is a waste product during refining of petroleum? Conservation of resources. It is crucial to use natural resources carefully so that they can last longer. Non renewable resources are being depleted at a rapid pace. In order to conserve resources, we should try to use renewable resources and we must do wisely. Mind map. Natural resources of India. The natural resources are water, air, forests, minerals. The types of energy resources are renewable, inexhaustible, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectricity, biomass energy, and the non renewable, exhaustible energy resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, nuclear energy. Conservation of resources. Use resources wisely, focus on renewable resources, sustainable consumption. Chapter at a glance. India has abundant natural resources such as water, air, forests, and minerals. There are two types of energy resources, renewable and non renewable. Renewable resources include solar, wind, hydroelectric, biomass, soil, water, plants, and animals. Non renewable resources include coal, petroleum, natural gas, and minerals used in nuclear energy. Conservation of natural resources is crucial, and renewable resources should be used wisely to preserve them. Plants are essential resources providing food, oxygen, medicine, while coal and petroleum are significant sources of power in India.